Hello everybody, it's me again, Tarsher. Welcome back to our channel. I just want to share with you, I'm cooking sisig today. So that's the ingredients, of course, nor cubes, butter, toyo, soy sauce, and garlic, onions, and peppers, of course, mayonnaise, and the pork belly without skin. So that's the one I'm cooking for sisig. We just cut this, guys, into small pieces. This is one of my husband's favorite Filipino dish, sisig. So, we just cut it. Tapos i-chop natin mamaya na maliliit. So, I cut like this. And then we just chop it like this later. And then, ayaw nila yung crispy masyado. Kasi, noon gumawa na ako nito, pero matagal na, mga 4 years ago, for my other channel. So, ngayon, hindi siya crispy masyado. Katamtaman lang. Super easy yung sisig. Kasi sa Pilipinas, di ba yung sisig ay yung mga laman loob. Pero, ayaw ko yun. And, basta pag gumagawa ako ng sisig, ang gamit ko ay pork belly without skin. Kasi ayaw nila ng may skin. Kasi itong crispy masyado, hindi na ito maging crispy mamaya. So, ayaw nila yun. We just chop it like this, para maliliit siya. So, ilagay na natin yung butter, guys. And yung onions ay kalahati ko lang ilagay muna. Tapos yung kalahati mamaya. I just add all the garlic. So, lutuin lang natin siya konti. Ipa-brown lang natin. So, I add pork cubes, 2 pork cubes. Ilagay ko na dyan. As I said, this is my own version kasi iba-iba ang pagluto ng sisig. And this is my version. Add the pork belly na para siyang lechon kawali. So, ang dami niya. Just add the toyo, soy sauce. I'm using Kikuman, by the way. And then mix it again. Mayonnaise. So, nasa sa inyo yun kung gaano ang lulutuin nyo. So, I'm just using it, half cup of mayonnaise. Tingnan natin. We'll see if this is enough, the half cup. If it's not, so we can add more. It smells so good. This is my husband's favorite, sisig. Pero ayaw niyang kumain ng sisig yung laman loob. Basta homemade ko na sisig, kumakain siya. Kasi alam niya na pork belly yung gamit ko. So I think we need to add more. Another 2 tablespoons. I'll make it 3. And just mix it again. And I don't use a sizzling pan on this kasi hindi pa naman nila kakainin ito ngayon, mamaya pa. And we just add the rest of the sibuyas, onions, and the jalapeno pepper. I just mix this one with the Thai peppers and the jalapeno. So, nasa sa inyo yun kung gaano ka anghang, how spicy you like. Kasi gusto ng asawa ko ng spicy. So, kaya ko siya maraming peppers. Oh, this is so good. With rice. Oh. And that's our sisig. It's already cooked. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.